Welcome to Review Lab. The best Milgard window parts is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your home, ensuring that your windows operate smoothly, seal effectively against the elements, and contribute to your home's overall energy efficiency and security, making them an indispensable element for any homeowner looking to preserve or enhance their property's value and comfort. Number 5. WRS Caldwell Series 300 Window Balance. This balance is specifically designed for non-tilt window systems with a standard 5/8-inch metal channel. It measures 27 inches long and is suitable for sashes weighing between 26 and 30 pounds. It comes pre-assembled for quick and easy installation. Available in lengths from 8 to 49 inches, it fits a wide range of window sizes, from residential to commercial. Each unit is precision-tested for smooth, reliable, and durable performance. Its precision pulley and spring system ensures smooth operation, preventing slamming or sticking. You can rely on it for quiet and safe window use in any environment. Constructed from high-strength galvanized steel, it offers long-term durability and corrosion resistance. The precision components ensure reliable performance for years of daily use. With over 30 years of experience, WRS Window Repair Systems provides dependable, high-quality hardware. It's trusted by homeowners and professionals alike for lasting repairs. What we like. If you have non-tilt windows and need a robust solution, this balance is engineered for you. Its heavy-duty galvanized steel construction ensures longevity and corrosion resistance. For those seeking a reliable, long-lasting balance that fits a wide variety of window sizes and weights, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Perfect fit, easy installation, and now my window will go up and stay up. It fit perfect and now I can open and close my window easily. Installation is very easy. The replacement looks like the same qualities as the original part. The new channel seems sturdy and fit perfectly. Once installed, I tested my windows and they felt like new. Number 4. WRS Caldwell Series 300 Block and Tackle Window Balance. Introducing the WRS Caldwell Series 300. This heavy-duty block and tackle window balance is designed for both residential and commercial use. Ensures smooth operation for your windows. Crafted with robust materials, this balance hardware is built to last. It provides a dependable solution for your window repair needs. Featuring a 5/8-inch channel and a 15-inch length, it offers a precise fit. The stamp 14:1 indicates it's suitable for windows weighing 4 to 6 pounds. This non-tilt, side-load replacement hardware makes installation straightforward. Upgrade your Windows functionality with ease. Choose the WRS Caldwell Series 300 for a long-lasting and effective window balance. It's the smart choice for maintaining your windows. Whether for your home or business, this window balance delivers consistent performance. It's engineered to meet the demands of frequent use. What we like. For lighter sashes in non-tilt window systems, this balance offers a precise fit. Its compact 15-inch length and support for 4 to 6 pounds make it ideal for smaller or older windows. If you're looking for a specific, lighter-duty balance for a side-load application, this is the one to consider. What people say. Instructions in the product description were quite clear about which balances I needed. Easy OEM replacement for Milgard vinyl window. Works great. Fit perfectly, not falling apart like the old part, now the window opens and closes easily. Number 3. Milgard Tuscany and Classic Series Sliding Door Wheels. Keep your Milgard Tuscany and Classic Series sliding patio doors gliding smoothly with these genuine replacement wheels. We offer authentic parts directly from the factory, backed by over 35 years of expertise. These wheels are specifically engineered for your standard or narrow rail sliding patio doors. They ensure a perfect match, making replacements seamless and easy. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these wheels are built to last. They offer excellent weather resistance for long-lasting performance, even in tough conditions. Experience a quieter, more comfortable home with our ball-bearing design. It reduces friction for a smooth, silent sliding experience, enhancing your daily convenience. Replacing your old wheels is straightforward with this design. They are made for a quick and easy installation, perfect for DIY projects or professional service. What we like. If you own Milgard Tuscany or Classic Series sliding patio doors with a standard or narrow rail, these are the perfect replacement wheels. Crafted from durable stainless steel, they guarantee weather resistance and long-lasting performance. For a smooth, silent, and easy-to-install upgrade that restores your door's functionality, choose these genuine parts. What people say. The new wheels make the doors slide like a new door. These replacement wheels made a world of a difference on our sliding patio door. It glides so smoothly I can use just one finger to move it. Now the door took 2 people to get out. It's an 8-tall door, so it's heavy, but the instruction videos online for this product make it fairly easy to replace, in theory, see below, and within 20 minutes, I had a silky smooth door. It's a one-finger operation now to open and close, so nice. Number 2. Milgard Smart Touch Window Lock. Introducing the Milgard Smart Touch Window Lock, designed specifically for your Milgard Tuscany window. This is a genuine OEM replacement part, ensuring the quality you expect. Milgard has been a trusted name for decades, known for quality and durability. You can rely on our products to provide long-lasting security for your home. Experience intuitive touch functionality with this lock. Opening and closing your windows is now as simple as a tap, making it easier than ever. This lock is built to last, providing you with peace of mind. Ensure the long-lasting security of your home with this durable solution. No more struggling with hard-to-reach latches. Its smart design makes window operation a breeze, offering convenience and ease. This is the authentic Milgard Smart Touch Lock for your Tuscany window. Trust in a genuine part for a perfect fit and reliable performance. What we like. For owners of Milgard Tuscany windows, this genuine Smart Touch Lock offers unparalleled ease of use. Its intuitive touch functionality makes opening and closing windows effortless, eliminating the struggle with hard-to-reach latches. If you value convenience and are looking for a high-quality, durable lock specifically designed for your Tuscany windows, this is the ideal upgrade. What people say. The window parts are designed for easy installation and replacement. Milgard Window Parts offer excellent durability and weather resistance. The parts are precision engineered to ensure a perfect fit and optimal window function. Number 1. 6 PCS White Window Sash Vent Stop 1714 White. Crafted from premium-grade nylon, these vent stops offer exceptional durability and strength for long-lasting use. The housing and tongue are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy a consistent look with our UV-stabilized molded color. It's designed to resist fading, ensuring it maintains its appearance over time, even with sun exposure. Installation is a breeze thanks to the snap-in design. It fits a wide range of vinyl wall thicknesses, making it a versatile solution for your windows. Ensure a perfect fit by checking the dimensions in the provided drawing. The ideal slot size for these stops is 1.875 by 0.285 inches. This set includes 6 white window sash vent stops, model 1714 white. They provide a secure and convenient way to manage your window ventilation. What we like. If you need to secure your window vents on vinyl frames, these white sash vent stops are a practical solution. Made from durable, UV-stabilized nylon, they are built to last and resist fading. Their snap-in design ensures a secure fit for a wide range of vinyl wall thicknesses, making them a simple yet effective choice for added security and ventilation control. What people say. They fit perfectly, no slop at all. They are just like the ones that came originally with the windows, so these should last another 20 years I expect. These fit perfectly into my windows. They feel of higher quality than the ones that came with the windows originally, and I have no complaints at all. The price was right, they fit and stay secure easily, and work exactly as expected. These also fit Winco and PGT windows. Perfectly. These could pass as OEM parts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.